What's up guys, I'm Ross, your mattress expert from RealMattressReviews.com. Today I'm excited to unbox and give you guys my first impression of the brand new Nolah 12-inch dual-sided mattress. So what's unique about this mattress, first of all, it is 12 inches, so it's 2 inches thicker than the original Nolah, and it's also dual-sided, which means it's medium on one side and firm on the other. I'll have to get it opened up to explore this, but I think you have to unzip the cover, flip the core, and put the cover back on to experience each firmness level. But we'll take a look at that after I pop it open. We'll push on the foams, I'll lay on the mattress for the first time, and just give you guys my overall first impression before I start my final sleep trial on this brand new Nolah mattress. So I'll go ahead and get popped open. Alright guys, so we've got it all opened up and expanded very quickly. I haven't pushed on the foams or laid on the mattress yet. So what I'll do quickly here is just talk briefly about how this is constructed. We'll dive more into this during the comprehensive review, but down in the description you can click to the full contextual review. We'll have all that broke down as well as a lot of other information to read and a great coupon if you decide to give this a try. We'll have the best coupon available right there on our website. So I'll just push on the foams. This top 2.5 inches is their Nolah Air foam. So this is kind of similar to the consistency of memory foam, but it is a faster reacting foam. It's definitely kind of a softer, more pillowy, cloud-like foam than most memory foams are. Underneath that you have a 1.5 inches of a transition layer, a 7-inch foam core, and then on the bottom another 1-inch layer of that Nolah Air foam. So the dual firmness on this one, you'll have to unzip the cover, take that off and flip it over and put the cover back on to experience that firm feel. You could just flip it, but the cover is not the same on the bottom, so you're better off unzipping and flipping the core over, putting the cover back on. So I'll just push on the foams. We'll take a look at that foam response. So the top feels rather soft. That Nolah Air foam is a very fast reacting foam, so that pops right up pretty quickly. So as I said, it definitely feels pretty soft. When you first unpack these, any of these brands or any of the online brands, they are a little bit softer right out of the box. You can expect after 2 to 3 days for it to firm up a little bit. But I'll just go ahead and lay down on it. So I really like the Nolah Air foam. If you watch my original Nolah review, I really praise the foam they use. It's very similar to a foam I have on a lot of the beds in my showroom and the foam that's on like my best-selling hybrid. It's a very comfortable foam. It gives you very nice kind of floating on top of the mattress feel versus a really sinking feeling like memory foam, and you sink into it right away. So as I lay here, it definitely conforms here in my lumbar. This is for sure going to be soft enough for side sleeping. I actually think this will be excellent for side sleeping for pretty much all body weights. Right out of the box, I think it could be a little too soft for stomach sleeping, but you would have that firm side as well. Plus, I truly believe it will firm up a little bit after 2 to 3 days, which we'll touch on all this in the full comprehensive review. But right off the bat, it's got a nice feel. The firm side will be quite a bit firmer because it will have 1.5 inches less of that Nolah Air foam on the other side. That foam is going to be quite a bit softer. So 1.5 inches less, this would feel quite a bit firmer. So I think it's going to have a really nice feel on both sides. A couple other things, it has an organic cotton cover here on the top. It's 12 inches thick. The queens right now with our coupon come in at $11.99. They offer a lifetime warranty on this model and a 120-night sleep trial. So my overall first impression is that it's well built. I know Nolah, the original Nolah, sells really well and they have a very low return rate. I do like that this one is thicker, and I like the versatility in the fact that it is dual-sided. During the review, I will unzip and flip, and we'll explore the different firmnesses that are on this mattress so we can really distinguish what is going to be best for what. But this top side is going to be best for side sleeping. the firm side potentially back and stomach sleeping. But I think this firmness will get a little bit firmer after a couple days, so it should work for most people in all 3 sleeping positions. So coming up soon, we'll have the full comprehensive review of this mattress. But for now, down in the description, you can click over to the contextual review, as well as grab a coupon if you decide to give this mattress a try. Alright guys, I really appreciate you watching this unboxing and first impression video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.